Yeah, me I say a simple thing, face and pimple thing, And I the image I bust it. Right now, me I say them board over there say used to, but now a J marker does it. Log on to the island vibes that forward, the woman them for that come. Forget the latest pan walk on the street, you see it. Yeah, surely the image I say J Mark production.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Stacious and Bridgez has got into a physical catfight that stems from an argument while on set of the bedroom medley video shoot.
Everybody know that there was a prior disagreement with us from the set of the bedroom video shoot. So, what we have been dealing with on a professional level, we haven't had any problems since. But then we were debuting the video and things just got a little bit out of control and, the set like has been disrespected. And, she passed and pushed me, which was totally unnecessary. And, I must admit that I lost my temper for a second. So let me just use this medium. So first and foremost, apologize to the affected media host, where we were. And also to the fans that may have been, a little bit disappointed. Because trust me, this is not really a good look for the industry. It's not something that I'm proud of, but yes, we did have issues, and I'm ready and willing to put it behind me and just forget about her.
What the deal? Mavado tells Music News that he's currently working on his new 14-track album and has already completed 6 tracks.
But right now, this album is going to contain probably 14 tracks, and I think DJ Khaled will be releasing my first single for the Christmas, a song by the name of On Top of the Mountain When They Come For Me, featuring me and DJ Khaled and Akon. You know what I'm saying? I'm supposed to go in the studio now, me and Florida, to do a track for his album, you know what I'm saying? And I think he's going to do a remix for me for that. So, I've done probably 5, 6 other tracks for my album already. But I'm just trying to make it well perfect. I'm a perfectionist on my work, you know what I'm saying? If I put out a song, it's only the best. So I guess that's the main reason why DJ Khaled even say that Mavado is the best, you know what I'm saying?
What the deal? People, check out the Image latest track called Mi Hennessy.
Girl, you make the club floor shake on the concrete. Every buckle in the crate a rockle and medium feet. Girl, your body no chop, kiss medium teeth. Your body as smooth as drop a million teeth. You see, me love the wine where you pull, but say time me drop the Henny and Red Bull, girl. Me beg you please, don't disagree, but something a fig one, girl, fling it for me. As I got cross me out on the hand. But when you split it's like a cannon shoot. The club jerk, every man a look confused. More teeth you want cut like the bank. Girl, you go you nearly make me drop me Hennessy. On the first start, this I just survive. So you give because your shape superb and the face when me see. Would I make an angel cry just maybe? Look how you nearly make me drop my vodka. You make the whole play shape when you whine like that. When you bubble you a trouble you define like that. I'm no watch time, no clock, no time like that.
What the deal? Mavado is to return to court on May 16, 2012 for assault charges.
I asked the court for that date because Mr. Brooks is a complainant and a witness in a matter that arises out of the same incident, and subsequent to that, the complainant in the case against him today, which is the same police officer, has not yet been charged, and I do not know if we have 2 different justice systems, but there cannot be a situation where Mr. Brooks gave a report first to the police about what happened at the club, and he is the only person being asked to answer to charges. The police officer is not yet charged for the killing of Conrad Edwards, and neither is he charged for the assault that he assaulted Mr. Brooks. We are not comfortable with a situation like this, particularly because it is only Mr. Brooks who is asked to answer to any form of charges, and the police officer is roaming the streets and still in a position to interfere with the investigation.
What the deal? That's how artist Flexx had to cut his US tour short after he was listed as a person of interest by the St. Andrew North Police.
Up to last week, I believe, you were a person of interest to the police.
Yeah, definitely.
Where is that?
Which I don't know how that come about, but it's already been sorted out because I came in early Sunday morning and I went in early Monday morning. Didn't spend even half an hour at the station, spend like 10 minutes and come out. Because when I went in there, my lawyer, Mr. Finson, took me in and, was speaking with the superintendent. And he said, we do a background investigation, them already, we check out some little station in the community. Because I don't know a grand spend me live and thing. And, Fagan Avenue, them say them check out community policing and thing. And, yeah, man, you're a law-abiding citizen, man. Every police has a good youth. So, but what you know about a little incident to go on a Whitehall, and I say, don't know nothing about it. Don't know nothing about it. Don't know nothing about it. And him say, well, your name a call up, you understand? But you don't know, we don't have nothing upon you, so I just procedures. You understand? Okay. So you just
so they didn't fingerprint you or anything?
No fingerprinting, nothing at all.
What the deal? Jamaican law enforcement officials have indicated that Vybz Kartel could be facing up to 5 additional murder charges.
Murder charges against Kartel piling up? The cops are talking about 5 more. He's already been charged in connection with 2 murders. Also, other arrests could be in the works.
Life are the greatest. We say, wish me could have lived forever, yeah. Enough juvenile, them life waste. Throw away them life in a gunplay.
An even bleaker Christmas shaping up for murder-accused DJ Vybz Kartel. After a week where no one could say for certain who his lawyers were, more info from the cops about other murder charges being pursued. Assistant Police Commissioner Elon Powell went so far as saying he'll be charged very soon.
What the deal? 6 police who were assigned to the gun court are facing certain corruption charges after they were allegedly caught on camera taking money from a close relative of Vybz Kartel.
Officers attached to the South Camp Road Remand Center are under investigation. The lawmen are being probed in relation to their interactions with Adidja Palmer, better known as Vybz Kartel, and persons connected to him. The investigation is being conducted by the Anti-Corruption Branch, led by Assistant Commissioner of Police Justin Felice. The force says the investigation is at a very sensitive stage, with several policemen already being removed from the facility. Speaking on a CVM at sunrise this morning, Senior Superintendent James Forbes says the police are involved in the case in a negative way.
What the deal? Word on the street is that one of the reasons that the cops from the gun court are in trouble is because they allegedly smuggled a girl to give Vybz Kartel a blowjob. The guards allegedly arranged for all the other inmates to go to the shower while they snuck the girl in. Is it true? Who knows?
No go so. From you never lie with another man in a bed. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you never sex a girl when she on a cold bread. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you never build a shoulder muscle with your third leg. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. No girl never kiss him after she don't give you head. Tell them it's a nothing no go so.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music, news, and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Yo, girl, call me workplace too. She do say I'm a base pass. Answer the phone, me say yo, him say a grace. Me signal to him and say me no inna the place. She get a 3 4 9 2. She love race. Wrong mistake, you find a good man. Him a teach you right, you never do nothing bad, girls. Inna that man eyesight from you know say you can go light that shine bright. So when you want the vibes on it right, you not go drink not a red stripe light. What sexy girl in my bedroom tonight? You better line up all Pamela and Suzette and Joyce. Oh, them gyal a bad like Thursday night at the fight. Skin a road pan the mixing board. Gyal come skin out pan we mixing board. They think a joke man a make about that mixing board. Oh, the gyal them say famous face know the road course. Skin a road pan the mixing board. Gyal come skin out pan we mixing board.